Want to type in all caps on your iPhone? This can be useful for emphasizing certain words or phrases. Let's get started. Solution. Solution. Make sure caps lock is enabled in settings. If double tapping the shift key doesn't enable caps lock, you may need to enable it in settings. Open settings on your iPhone, tap general, scroll down, tap keyboard. Ensure the Enable Caps Locks toggle is on. The switch should be green. After enabling, try double tapping the Shift key again to type in all caps. Enable caps locks for all caps typing. Open any app where you want to type, example messages or notes. Double tap the Shift key, the arrow icon on the keyboard. When caps lock is enabled, the Shift key will stay highlighted. Type your message and everything will appear in all caps. To turn off caps lock, simply tap the Shift key once more. By following these steps, you can quickly type in all caps on your iPhone. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and stay tuned for the next video.